Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a 12-cup muffin tin with liners. In a bowl, whisk 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. In a separate bowl, beat 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup melted butter and 1/2 cup milk. Stir wet into dry until just combined. Add 8-10 drops red food coloring for a soft pink or 16-20 drops for a bright red batter. Divide into liners and bake while cupcakes cool for at least 20 minutes. Make a quick buttercream. Beat 1/2 cup softened butter with 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 tablespoons milk until smooth and spreadable. Divide frosting into 2 bowls, tint one portion with 8-10 drops red food coloring, and keep the other white. Transfer both colors into a piping bag fitted with a Wilton 1M tip or similar. For an easy heart, pipe a teardrop-shaped dollop and immediately drag the tip backwards slightly to create a heart point and rounded top. Finish cupcakes by adding simple decorations that read as professional. For firm toppers, roll fondant to 1/4 inch and press a 1/5-inch heart cutter, or slice a hulled strawberry in half and trim to a symmetrical heart. If you prefer texture, sprinkle nonpareils or sanding sugar within 10 seconds of piping so the sprinkles stick. For layered hearts, pipe white base, then a smaller red heart on top. Chill decorated cupcakes 10 minutes to set the buttercream before serving or packing for transport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.